Alright, we got something a little bit different for you guys, as you can tell already by the title of this video. Once again, that does not mean we will work on your Ford, or Dodge, or tune it. This is a friend of ours, he's just using the Dyno. That's it. Yo, Papa Wheelie song.
Nah.
Lame. So we got a 2020 GT500. That is a big intake. Jesus.
2-inch.
Two. Just
we don't
two?
need our wide band, right?
Yeah.
These things have wide bands in them.
We'll put a wide band.
Okay.
Give me the rundown on like what's done to it and stuff, or why you're dyno.
To see how much power it makes. Same reason anyone dyno.
Yeah, but like if you've changed anything, if you're.
So the car has, we'll start from the front to back. It has a 1320 cold air intake, late model throttle 105 throttle body, a 1320 stage 3 ported blower, a 2.65 upper pulley, stock lower, on 1050 injectors, AMG mats, custom X pipe, and Palm Beach dyno tune.
Okay.
We're on E85 right now, but I've got both 93, E85.
Okay.
We don't have a good dyno since we did the ported blower, so we want to see where we're at. It made,
Think it should make.
before the ported blower, it made 888, I believe.
Okay.
So, let's see. Oh, it also has a Whipple belt tensioner.
Okay. So I'm guessing you're hoping for like mid-9s.
You know, this car, every time it's been on the dyno, it's downloaded lower than other people or what I anticipated. So my hopes are really low.
Okay.
It's always under impressed me on the dyno, but over impressed me on the road.
Okay. Well, that's where it matters. I
Yeah.
mean,
So,
well, if you ask the internet, our dyno reads high, so this thing's gonna read 1200 apparently.
well, that's funny because my S2000 only made like 600 on here and still went super fast.
There you go.
So I trust you guys.
That's true. Yeah, I actually might have video of that on the dyno day.
You do.
Yeah, you do. We did a whole video on it, I think.
Yeah, you did.
Did I?
Yeah.
Probably did.
And then with 143, making like 620 horsepower. I think they said it's number 7 for the dyno.
He must have 100 grand under the hood of that thing.
That's right.
Don't do it, It's stronger than Beaver did.
Don't do it, Jesse. Or dyno retard.
That's pretty sick, actually.
It is kind of cool.
That's a $3,000 option.
No, it's not.
So it comes with a tech package, right? So the tech
So it
package,
comes with some other.
right? Well, I deleted all that when I got like the race seats and everything else. So basically,
Oh,
I
that's
paid
what
$3 grand for lights and like navigation.
Well, navigation I was
kind of
good.
baffled first. I'm like, what are you
All
talking
the way up right now.
I guess you want to see if the tack works?
Be a good thing.
Steve has a YouTube channel. Check it out. We'll put the link in here as well as the description. He's got a lot of races and videos and stuff on there. So what happened was we've been data logging it. He actually just sent his data log to his tuner. The tuner's making a quick correction. We're going to flash it, let it run for a bit, and then we're going to make another pull. So some changes on this next pull.
I think he just played with the fuel trims a little bit to get it in spec. He said he doesn't expect it to change horsepower any.
Okay. So when you're racing on the street and everything, you run these tires or a different tire?
So it depends. I bought the full set of signature wheels, 20-inch all around, and the arch plates on the back for when I'm on like pump gas.
Okay.
Pump gas should make a little over 800.
Okay.
We'll try that in the next week or two. Right now we're focused on E85. When I race people on the street with this, I've got the same wheels, 18 by 11 and a half, with Mickey Thompson 305 45 18s.
Okay.
And they're aired down to like 18, 20 pounds. And once they're warm, they work very well.
Nice. Good to hear.
Very well.
Obviously, if you want to see more of this thing in action, go check out Steve's channel.
Yeah. Instagram is Iconic GT500. YouTube is the same. Iconic GT500.
Makes it easy.